Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you about exothermic and endothermic reactions. Okay, this is all about chemical reactions, as I have explained you in the previous lecture about chemical reactions and about chemical equations. So you can say that there are two types of chemical reactions. They can be it can be exothermic and it can be endothermic reaction. Okay, let's check out. See, exothermic. Exo means outside and thermic means relating to heat. So if heat is releasing out, all right, while in a chemical change, or if reaction in a reaction, chemical reaction, if heat is releasing out, then it will be called as exothermic reaction. Okay, as I said, its name indicate exo means outside and thermic means relating to heat. If heat is releasing outside, then it will be called as exothermic reaction. Okay, for example, carbon and oxygen, when they react together, they will form carbon dioxide. All right, and in this reaction heat will evolve. Okay, so you can show this reaction like carbon plus oxygen gives out carbon dioxide along with heat. So it is an example of exothermic reaction. Okay, see another one or second type of reaction is endothermic reaction. Here endo means inside and thermic means relating to heat. Okay, so if heat is absorbing inside the chemical reactants, okay, or you can say while in a chemical change or chemical reaction, if heat is absorbed from the surroundings, then it will be called as endothermic reaction. Endo means inside. It means that reactants are absorbing the heat inside to them. Okay, so this will be called as endothermic reaction. For example, in a chemical reaction between carbon and sulfur, carbon disulfide will be formed, but in the formation of carbon disulfide, carbon and sulfur, they absorb heat from the surroundings. Okay, they absorb heat from the surroundings, then only they will form carbon disulfide. All right, you can see, you can understand by this picture. First picture for endothermic, you can see by the arrows are showing towards their arrows are towards the inside, which shows that they are absorbing the heat. Okay, and here in the exothermic, arrows are denoting outside. It means it is releasing out heat. Okay, so if heat will be absorbed, then endothermic, and if heat will be releasing out, then exothermic. Okay, and it has been observed that endothermic reactions are cooler than their surroundings and exothermic reactions are hotter than their surroundings. One more example you can see, melting of ice would be endothermic. Okay, and burning of candle and digestion of food in the stomach will be exothermic. Okay,